Cardiovascular disease treatment by the nutraceuticals. In this, the cardiovascular disease occur because lack of oxygen in the heart vessels and muscles as well, and because blood clogging and all. Now, the group of disorder that of heart and blood vessels example is first is heart failure because heart muscles can't able to pump the blood, hypertension because an increase in blood pressure, ca- car- cerebrovascular disease because group of conditions that affects the blood flow in the blood vessels. Peripheral vascular disease develop at development of fat and result in decrease in blood development of the fat, and due to which building in calcium in arteries and decreases the blood flow. Coronary artery disease also because there is improper flow in heart vessels. Now, the role of nutraceuticals like flavonoid being used as an ACE inhibitor is a block ACE uh, angiotensin converting enzyme and prevent the platelet aggregation as well. Polyphenols are present in grapes that helps in treatment of severe disease. Coca is decreases the coronary artery disease and increases the blood pressure and increase the vasodilation as well, like increase the blood flow and all. Now, the phytosteroids like dietary fibers, they act as a cholesterol blocking agent and facilitates the cholesterol excretion. Example is sitosterol. Fourth is dietary fibers. It is present in fruit and as well as hemp as well that decreases the fat level. Fourth is statin that decreases the blood cholesterol level.